This science kit was a birthday gift for my son, and so far it's been such a fun and memorable experience for him. He's been especially fascinated by volcanoes lately, so getting a science kit with experiments like underwater volcanoes, candy volcanoes, and color explosions was incredibly exciting for him. What I really love about this kit is how hands-on it is. It comes with over 50 different experiments, and they're designed in a way that feels fun and magical and not overly complicated. My son genuinely felt like a little scientist while doing them. The instruction manual is very well done. It's colorful, step-by-step, and easy to follow, which made it enjoyable for us to do the experiments together as a family. This kit does a great job of introducing STEM concepts without it feeling like a lesson. While he's playing, he's learning about cause and effect, observation, and basic scientific thinking, all through exploration. I also appreciate that it's screen-free entertainment. Each experiment feels like its own activity, so it keeps kids engaged over time instead of being a one-day toy. The materials feel well-made and safe, and everything is sized appropriately for young kids. Some experiments are quick, while others take a little more time, which makes it easy to fit into different parts of the day. Overall, this is an excellent gift for curious kids, especially those who love science, volcanoes, and hands-on projects. It's educational, fun, and something that kids can truly experience and enjoy. If you're looking for a meaningful birthday or holiday gift that encourages learning through play, then this science kit is a great choice.